Hello, is this the Last Chance Garage? Yeah, I dropped my VW down there for a front end alignment. Yeah, Bigsby's the name. Okay, about another half an hour. Well, I'll just come down and pick it up. About half an hour. All right, thank you. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
You got my car down here?
Well, I did the front end alignment, but I found a lot of other stuff wrong with it here. You know, your clutch cable's wrong here.
What? My clutch is working fine.
Well, I already did the front end alignment.
What, was it off very much?
Oh yeah, it was way out. I don't know how you drove it over here.
Well, it didn't seem to be too out. I just thought
Well,
it
you
would
know,
get checked.
you gotta take a look at some of this stuff, you know.
Well, what are you doing to my clutch cable down here?
Well, you got the thing all screwed up. I don't know who ever adjusted this last.
What are you doing to my motor? Look, when I bring it down
That's another story there.
when I bring it down for a front end alignment, I don't expect the distributor cap to be ripped off and all the other stuff.
Well, let me tell you what.
How-
You got problems here.
Well,
You got big problems here.
why are my wheels bent in like that?
Well, that's another story too. Let me check the cable here on.
How much is all this going to cost me?
Oh, you're in for a lot of. Oh, you know something now.
What?
Oh, that's way too tight. Oh, you know, I'm gonna have to loosen that up.
It was fine just before.
Well, let me show you this. See that there, the rotor there?
Yeah.
You know why you weren't getting it started?
No.
Well, the rotor's cracked in half.
It was starting just fine though.
Yeah, I don't know how you got it over here. Now, no, looky here now. You got two condensers on this thing. I don't know how come, but there's. Did you wire this up?
No.
This clutch thing. I got your front end alignment, but your back wheels tightened. You got that four-wheel steering on this?
No.
Well, these are
They have
crooked
two-wheel steering.
here. If you want to look here, these are crooked.
Well,
You know,
look, they were fine before I came here.
Let me
I don't
ask-
know what you're doing.
Let me ask you this question.
I didn't authorize you to tear into
Let
my
me
car.
ask you this question here now.
What?
Did you you say you just bought this here car?
Let me ask you this question. How much is this going to run me?
Well, I'll tell you as soon as I get done with this.
You were advertising front end alignment for $695. Now how much is this?
$695. That's
Yeah.
$16.95.